Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn React.js. So first of all, we have to know what is React.js. React.js is a popular JavaScript library for building user interface, particularly for single-page applications where a fast interactive experience is essential. It's developed by Facebook. Now we're gonna know how it Meta and maintained as an open source project. React enables developers to create reusable UI components, making it easier to build complex user interfaces by breaking them down into manageable pieces. If we summarize it and we can tell it the React.js development cycle, then we first got it develop UI components, manage complexity, enhance interactivity, maintain open source project. Next, we have to move another line to start working with React.js. We will need to set up your environment, development environment. Here's a step-by-step guide. Setting up React.js and development environment. First, you have to install Node.js and npm. To install Node.js, we have to go to official sites of Node.js and we search on the search bar Node.js, download Node.js. Okay, and you can see the download options. You simply click here and download it. After download, you have to verify uh, your installations. Um, okay, verify installations. For this, you have to open your terminal, or you can simply click here to find it on the search bar terminal. Then you find it in command prompt, or you simply click here cmd, then you find it, then open. Okay, after open you will find it. Okay, I also open it and show you how to verify it. You can check it by verifications. Simply click on node -b to check the Node.js version. This way, okay, you can see my Node.js version is 20.12.2. okay, then you can check also your npm version, npm-b. okay, you can see my npm versions. Then install a code editor. I use VS Code. You see, this is a VS Code editor. To install VS Code editor, yeah, VS Code download. I use Windows for my project. Now click on this link. Okay, if you are a Windows user, then you click on here, and if you are Mac user, then you click on here, and if you are a Linux user or Ubuntu user, then click here. Okay, after install a code editor, you have to create new project. Okay, so to create a new project, to create a new project, the recommended way to set up a React project is by using Create React App, a tool that sets up a new project with all the recommended configurations. Run the following commands in the terminal: npx create react app, and replace my app with your project name. But we use byte that optimize the front-end development experience, faster build, hot reload, small bundle size. Byte for our React development. It helps us optimize front-end development. faster build, hot reload, a small bundle size. I will provide this PDF in my description. Please check it. So run the following command in the terminal. We use hit npm create byte at the rate latest. Okay, I copy it and create a React project. I open folder inside this and select this folder. Okay, then I open my terminal. It's easy. Then I paste this command npm create byte at the rate latest and I hit enter. Minimize it. Okay, okay to proceed. Yeah, now you have to go to provide project name. I use my first use my first React project. Okay, we use React. We use simply JavaScript. Okay, it's done. Now we have to go to cd my first React project. Okay, cd my first React project. Okay, I have to show you something. After npm create byte latest, I use npm I for installations. Added 249 packages and audit 250 packages in 2 minutes. Okay, here you find node modules by this command npm install. Okay, now we have to run one more command npm run dev or npx byte. Which command to use? npm run dev simplifies local development or nps byte streamlined project setup. I use nps byte. Okay, here you can see our project is run. Okay, byte plus react. You can see byte plus react. If I click here, count is in 0, and if I click here, then you will find 1 2 3 4. The counter is working. That means a react project is successfully work. Okay, we go to our pdf. Then we have to know one more thing. See, what is npx? Npx comes with npm 5 5.2 plus, allows you to execute packages directly from npm without having to install them globally. In this case, it downloads and run create react app to set up new project. Setting up new project, what do we do? First we open our terminal, then we run npx command, then this command download a react project and we set up it, and project is ready. Then we go and find it. Okay. We also navigate by this command to change the directory. If you are curious about npm and npx, then you can see it's standard package manager, and npx is direct execution without installations. Now we can learn project structure overview. First, we create a project, then we find public contents static assets like index.html. We go here and we see the public, uh, and next we find source folder. You can see source folder and many things, many folder and file. Source folder contains a React component, CSS file, and other source code. And you can see assets, app.css, app.jsx, index.css, and main.jsx. Then package.json contains the project's dependencies and script. You can see package.json. I have to minimize it. Okay, you can see package.json. You can see our dependencies on React 18.3.1, React DOM 18.3.1, and dev dependencies ESLint, type, React, React DOM, plugin, byte.js, and many more. Okay, then node modules. Okay, I'll provide this PDF file. Please check in the description. Get it React app by public source package node modules. Everything we find in our first React app. Please watch our next video to start write code on the React project. So thanks for today.